Well, I'm here at Victory Auto Wreckers, actually at a Malibu. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool if I had the stock radio still. I'd have the CD and the cassette. I think I might want to snag that because I need a new one. I don't have scissors though. I should have brought a pair of scissors. There's Cheez-Its in here. Wish I had like a blade. Maybe I could just yank it, but that'd probably f it up. But I already pulled out the switch, so I got that. Take a look at what else I can grab, possibly. We'll see. I'm trying to grab some clips, too, to hold the plastic piece on. Okay, so I just came out of Victory Auto Wreckers, as you can see. And I actually picked up two switches. See, this one is for the back door driver's side. As you can see, there's no little light in it, versus this one is for the passenger door, which is where I got it from the donor car in there. You can see the little light. It's not lit, obviously, it's got to be plugged in, but snag clips so that, you know, this isn't doing that no more. And so this one only works half the time. See, like, you gotta like put it in order for it to roll up, as many people in the back seat have encountered. See, it works, but it's like you gotta keep with it. For sure, down works, but I'm gonna swap it out anyway. And I got a clip for this, because this is kind of like shitty, so I'm gonna got a new clip for that too. So, I'll be working on that. Start with the back seat. And it's funny, I got a Malibu parked right next to me too. Same generation. Around the same year too, because it had my same old radio in it. Kind of cool. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Save the clip. Didn't fall in the door panel. Alright, so I gotta unplug it and remove this plastic housing and then put in the new switch. Okay, so I'm gonna get to the main issue here of why, or the first reason I came here to begin with. Is actually what had happened was it was this window, the switch of this window is what broke in the first place. Thus why I got a new one for the passenger door, because the two back seats don't have a little light in them in these cars. So I got one for my passenger door Malibu in the junkyard there, and I'm taking this switch and putting it back to the rear door because that's where that switch actually is from. And luckily, the back door switch worked with the front door, and it's how I've been rolling this window up and down. And this one's been stuck because I wanted my front window to still work over my back one. So I'm like, well, I'd rather have the front one roll down because majority of people sit in the front passenger seat. I'm gonna pry this out. I actually have a little napkin in here because, again, the clip fell into the door panel, which is where these come in play. So, I'm going to remove that switch, unplug it, there we go. Okay, so, unplugged it. Now I gotta separate these two pieces, which might be able to be done with my fingernail carefully because it's cheap General Motors plastic. There we go. That's the backseat switch right there. Alright, so I got the switch I just picked up inside the gray plastic housing, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know. I'll apply one of my new clips that I just picked up today. Put it in there, so that way it'll be pretty solid. Now I just plug it back in and then set it back inside the door. Done. See if it works. Wait. If it don't work, I'll it. There we go. Excellent. Works just as it should. Let's see if it lights. Probably can't see it. It might be too bright outside to see it in the daytime. And it might not. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. If it does, that'd be great. Not a huge deal if not. But now I take the one that was in here and I put it in the back door.